Hey folks, what's happening? Suddenly when I start recording, you know, movies are happening. So this feels bad. The movie was Relic. It came out this year, 2020. It's kind of weird. It classifies itself as a horror slash drama movie, but it's more suspense than anything. There's not much really, I think you're waiting for a jump scare or something scary happen. But spoiler, there's not much of that. It was like a totally different idea of filming. It's just, I think it's more a metaphor of how we deal with the illness, mental illness, or how we deal with the elderly, how we deal with, when you're getting old, you're kind of tossed to the side kind of way. It's kind of like deal with that. And there's some weird, like, things that doesn't really explain. Like, they go through this one closet that never ends, and I guess the grandma got trapped in there for a while. They couldn't find her, and then she reappeared. Somehow she got out of it. Then later on in the movie, the granddaughter gets trapped in this thing, but it doesn't really explain that much. All you know, there's kind of weird, like, black mold going on in the whole house, so maybe that causes some kind of craziness with the grandma and the mother and the granddaughter in the movie. The granddaughter's not that old. She's like, I'm guessing her somewhere in her 20s. So, and something like that. You can expect how old the mom and grandma is. But it's a good movie. It's low budget. I always like IFC. They always have. I'm not sure there's something on channel, but I always like their way of doing things. And this is a totally different kind of movie. I'm not sure how. Once again, I don't know how you can see it a horror film or drama or kind of like that, because I think that I had a problem with it. You just wait for a jump scare. It's like nope. Okay, it's not gonna happen. Nope, nothing like that. So I think it's them trying to deal with their mom going crazy and the black mold in the house. You see the evidence of the mold. Also, it kind of tells you a little bit of the family history of the daughter's dream she had with her grandfather. So it's kind of weird ending to it. I don't want to spoil it, but you should check it out. I really want to know if you see this movie, please comment or something. Let me know what your opinion of it. What you think is the metaphor about it. Maybe say it differently. But once again, I think it's more to deal with how we deal with elderly people, how we just toss them aside, or mental illness, stuff like that. And it's kind of interesting. And then they don't explain that much about the black mold. They kind of, based on the story, maybe in the old house, made people go crazy. So let me know. I like this movie. It's low budget. I mean, the whole cast is less than 10 people. But majority of the shots are with the granddaughter, the mom, the granddaughter, the mom, or the grandmother. So that they're more kind of like that. But it started changing around 50 minutes into the movie. Around that time, you started noticing, little things. So I really enjoyed it. It's kind of weird, kind of movie, and kind of, I can't really explain it. It's kind of sad. I don't know, the horror film or drama or suspense. It's kind of like a mixture, not really horror, but more suspense, drama, and stuff like that. More a metaphor of how we treat certain things. But that's why I'm going to repeat myself. But definitely, I want you guys to, put a comment. Let me know what you feel about this movie and stuff like that. And hopefully, I really like these kind of movies. I like low budget. Low budget movies are always my favorite. And my favorite characters have always been these low budget films. So I hope, a lot of Emma's going down, some crazy going down. So please like and subscribe. Tell me what you think about the movie. And hopefully I'll do these kind of stuff for you guys. Alright? Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Bye, teachers.